Okay, so what's gonna happen is I am going to show you, sorry for the bad quality, I'm going to show you guys on how to do the heavy revolver glitch, or like the automatic glitch, because everybody's asking how to do this. So this is how you do it. What you do is you pull up the phone, and you hold whatever your weapon wheel button is, you hold that, and then you also tap the fire button, and then you let go. And if you got it, you'll know because it'll fire straight up. And then just what you do is you empty the rest of the magazine until you get to the last bullet. Okay, and I went through on the last bullet. Yeah, aim at, pretty much anything you want, and just like that. That easy. Everybody's been asking me how to do it, so that's how you do it. Pretty much. Again, I'm gonna show you how to do it again. There we go. It's an action figure. Right there. Map. Right. So, there you guys go. There is your tutorial. So, enjoy.